Let's share my feeling of belief and success. A belief is a feeling of absolute certainty. If you want to achieve anything in life, you need to get certain you will achieve it. Belief controls results because you will never take action towards something you don't believe is possible. You can have all the education in the world. It doesn't matter. If you don't believe, you can do it, but you will never get it. These great athletes, great human beings, great entrepreneurs are great because they believe in themselves. They believe when no one else does. They believe when they are down. They believe when they are at a rock bottom. This is my dream. This is my dream, and I will succeed. Maybe not immediately, but absolutely and definitely. This goal I have, this dream I have, I will make it. I will get it. I will. Belief controls results because you will never take action towards something you don't believe is possible. In order to success, you must believe. In order to believe you are good enough, you must be good enough. If you're not there yet, get to work until you get the place where you know you can make it, you can do it. Work on your weaknesses until they become your strength. Work on your flaws until they become your fire. Work on your problems until they become your power. No doubt, there is no doubt in my mind. You have to believe that something good can happen. Even when there is no evidence, believe. Even if others say it is impossible, believe. Even if everything is going wrong, believe. Change your belief that you can't to the knowing that you can. Change your belief that there are limitations to the knowing that there are none. Change your belief that there isn't a way and push yourself to find your own way, your own answers, your own path. The greatest achievement in the world defies logic, and it is born from belief. The greatest achievement came from those who saw what was impossible for him, who saw what was hard for him, and he still believed in himself, he still tried. One day he can become a greatest person.